Say hi to Mr. Birdie. There we are. He's just chilling on the bird feeder. Let me videotape it. Right there. What's going on? You just chilling? Do you eat too much and you're too fat to fly? What's going on? You are a trippy bird. I can't whistle worth shit, obviously. You got something funky on your feathers right there. You're being so chill, I'd like to, do something about that, but I'm afraid you'd peck me and be like, what the fuck? So I will leave you alone. Other than stick a camera right in your face and videotape you. Yeah. Who's a pretty little birdie? You're a pretty little birdie. You just chilling on my bird feeder? You thought it was a nice place to take a nap? Yeah. Nice place to take a nap on a bird feeder? You're silly. You're pretty colors, yes you are. You're very pretty. You're a pretty little birdie. You're a pretty little birdie. Yes you are. You're a trip. Alright, well, say bye-bye to everybody on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and all the places that Laura's going to send you, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, pretty birdie. Look at me, I'm so handsome. Look at me. Alright, bye.